side. Hey guys, welcome to the ongoing construction of the suites at Gorordo. So this is the ongoing construction of the tower, and let's get inside the building. So this is the lobby. This is going to be lobby area. Afternoon. Guys, welcome to the 20th floor, guys.
008. Okay. Material rather is Bali. Bali is a special term.
This is a Bali wood from Indonesia or from the Philippines?
Not so sure. Resistant yan sa
Welcome to the room.
total area is 56.42 square meters. So for the kitchen, and then there's the upper cabinet and lower cabinet. This is a quartz cabinet. Tiles is ceramic. But the one in the back.
Welcome to the bedroom. This is a one bedroom suite at the
This is one bedroom.
suite is at
Ito
Gorordo.
naman po. Kasama ito sa deliverables is let's see, finished. I mean,
We're going to the standard deliverable unit here at the suites at Gorordo. It really has its in kuana. Ingani gid yang partition. Oh, nice. Sunset. It's sunset here. That's Gorordo down there, and that's Perpetua Sucor Hospital, Cebu Cancer Institute. That's Mango Avenue. I see the Fuente Circle is quite seen from here. $8.8.
so yun yung kanyang layout. Pag bubuksan natin mamaya, di ba?